Today I am making shrimp Mozambique. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's a Portuguese shrimp dish that is well known in the New England area where I grew up. I'm Cape Verdean, so we make a version of this dish, or we go out to eat at Portuguese restaurants, and it's the favorite appetizer to dip some bread in. That sauce is so good, and the best part is it comes together in under 20 minutes. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
I'm using 1.5 pounds of large Gulf shrimp that I've peeled and deveined, but I am leaving the tail on, and I'm seasoning it with paprika and garlic powder and letting it marinate while I prep my other ingredients. I'm dicing half of a white onion, and I'm also crushing about 6 to 8 garlic cloves, just depending on their size. In a large pan, heat your olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat until it's fully melted. I'm using 2 tablespoons here and then the other 2 tablespoons at the end to emulsify the sauce. Saute your diced onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're aromatic and translucent. You'll then add in your crushed garlic and saute for another 30 seconds to a minute. I made my own sazon seasoning, which is key to this dish, but you can also use the version in the store. It's sazon con azafran, but I just wanted to make it healthier. Add in the tomato paste and cook that down for about 2 minutes. Once that's done, you're gonna add in a 1.5 cups of a light lager beer. This creates such a light and flavorful broth, and let that simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to cook the alcohol out and thicken the sauce a bit. I'm using peri peri hot sauce, which originates in Mozambique, but you can use any non-Tabasco style sauce. Add in the hot sauce, and this is a good opportunity to check for spice level or saltiness. Mine was perfect. Go ahead and add in your shrimp, and I also add in some chopped parsley and cilantro. I know that cilantro tastes like soap to some people, so if that's you, please feel free to skip the cilantro and you can just add in the chopped parsley. Give it a good mix and make sure all the shrimp are fully covered in the sauce, and you're going to turn the heat to medium-low and cover and let that simmer for about 2 minutes. The shrimp will be pink when done. You want to make sure not to overcook the shrimp and top it with some fresh lemon juice and get ready to taste this ridiculously delicious sauce. When served as an appetizer, it always comes with some nicely toasted bread like a country loaf or even some sourdough. You can also serve it as an entree over some white rice like I'm doing here, some pasta, or even some cauliflower rice.
Now, although I do love it over rice, my favorite is just literally breaking up some bread, dipping it in the sauce, and bon appetit. That is so good, guys. Let me know how you like it in the comments.